Hi, my name's Giles Truscott. I'm the Superyacht Sales Manager for Ocean LED Marine. I deal with my territory is the rest of the world, linking in with yards, Northern Europe mainly, with superyacht yards there. Ocean LED was the first company to do underwater lighting using LEDs and has gone on to produce some of the best lights in the world. They're used on many yachts around. Some of the lights we have, if I can direct you to these lights, we have the F&L series, which represents the top of our range. These lights were developed some time ago, but have proven to be very successful. The ability of what they can do, angling to the hull form in 5-degree increments, being able to have a complete custom package where you can have cabinets or drivers or cable lengths from 5 meters up to 50 meters. So, complete customizable package. The L series represents lights that can go into tanks or void spaces where access can't be gained from behind, so therefore this light can come out into the water while the boat remains in the water. The F series is for everywhere else around the boat, so you can get a nice even effect. The lights, with all the range we have here in Superyacht, has a bespoke collimator designed specifically for us, which projects the light out in the optimum way without having to actually run the power fully through the light. So the light is projected out in a 60-degree by 20-degree beam, so 60-degree horizontal, 20-degree vertical, with minimal light loss, maximum penetration. The light will flood out as well as it goes into a 140-degree beam effect, giving that owner the flooding effect that he always wants, as opposed to the traditional beams of light shooting out with big black gaps in between. And this is representative on our Fs and L series as well as our new M series, which we have here today at Metz. This is a light, as I said, uses the same optics, but the design of it and the construction of it means it's a lot more affordable for people to below the sort of like 80-meter range. We can then go into the V series, which is again same optics, same brightness as the M's and the F's and L series, but it's designed for GRP and carbon yachts and plastic boats effectively. Then we also have the Allure. Again, it's a sort of sister to the M series. Again, more for the budget-focused yacht. It can be done for GRP and or metal boats as well. And then lastly, we have the AV150, which is our refit light. The AV150 is designed to be able to, with a yacht while it stays in the water, doesn't even have to be hauled out. We can take the light off, put our adapter on, and the boat can convert from HID lights to LED lights. The main benefit, in addition to what they had before, where they had probably white lights, they can now have colours as well, so they can choose any option of colour they wish. And to that end, we also have a controller that we introduced, that we produced, that we were in the DARM Awards for. The controller works with the Android or iOS devices, so tablet or phone, and it gives the owner, who normally wouldn't spend the money on a Crestron or Lutron system, to be able to control their colours lights. And it gives them the option of whether just a single colour, multiple of 4 colours strobing through, or going into music. They can run to the music, they can dim it, they can control the speed of these things. There's even an accelerometer in the box, so when the boat moves, the lights will change colour as well to that function. So it gives the customer complete control of their lights. However, we are starting to see super yachts above 50 meters wanting this Wi-Fi controller, because it means they can give it to their owner to be able to use as well. And then they have a redundancy where the owner can play around with this package and play with their lights, and whereas the crew can also then have a switching device where they can then take over if necessary if anything goes wrong. So, thank you very much.